Two embers in the fire faced one another, said to the other, "What are you doing here?" Although I question carefully your presence, I am so grateful for your company in the fire. Until we're gone, 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 gone. Gone, 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 gone. Gone, 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 gone. When the flames have all burned down, what will remain? Wood, flame, embers burn to ash. Throw the ash down, let the trees grow once again. And from trees you cut the wood to build your fire. So build your fire and let it all burn down again.